Welcome back to Future Fuel, your go-to source for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today we're diving into one of Mazda's most exciting releases yet, the 2025 Mazda CX-5. This compact SUV has long been a favorite for its perfect blend of style, performance and practicality. But with its latest iteration, Mazda is taking things to a whole new level. They say that the entire cohesive enterprise, Songtan, has taken less than a year to fix, the world's first. Mazda has always been known for its Kodo design language, and the 2025 CX-5 continues to evolve this aesthetic. The redesigned exterior boasts sharper lines and a more aggressive stance, giving it a sporty yet sophisticated look. The front grille has been reimagined with a mesh design, flanked by sleeker LED headlights that project a futuristic vibe. The rear of the vehicle has also seen a refresh, with slim tail lights and a more sculpted bumper. The addition of new alloy wheel designs and a range of vibrant color options ensures that the CX-5 will turn heads whether it's parked or in motion. Premium interior. Side, and you'll find a cabin that rivals luxury SUVs. The 2025 CX-5 features a minimalist dashboard with high-quality materials like soft-touch plastics, leather, and brushed aluminum accents. The seats have been redesigned for maximum comfort and support, making long drives a breeze. Mazda has also upped the ante with its infotainment system. The centerpiece is a massive 12.3-inch touchscreen that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The system is intuitive, ensuring that you can stay connected without distraction. Other highlights include a Bose premium sound system, ambient lighting, and advanced climate control to create the perfect environment for every journey. Engineered for performance. Performance has always been a hallmark of the CX-5, and the 2025 model continues this legacy. Mazda offers two powertrain options, a 285-liter turbocharged engine producing 256 horsepower and a new hybrid option for those seeking efficiency without sacrificing performance. The hybrid variant pairs a 2.5-liter engine with an electric motor to deliver an impressive 227 horsepower while achieving excellent fuel economy. Both options feature Mazda's iActive all-wheel drive system, ensuring superior traction and handling in all road conditions. The 2025 CX-5 also benefits from enhanced suspension tuning and improved steering responsiveness, making it one of the most engaging SUVs to drive in its class. Whether you're navigating city streets or carving up mountain roads, this SUV delivers a driving experience that's second to none. Safety and technology. Safety has always been a top priority for Mazda, and the 2025 CX-5 is packed with cutting-edge features. Mazda's iActive Sense suite includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. New for 2025 is a driver monitoring system that uses facial recognition to detect signs of fatigue or distraction, providing timely alerts to keep you focused on the road. The CX-5 also offers a 360-degree camera system and a parking assist feature to make tight maneuvers easier than ever. Practicality meets versatility. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 isn't just about style and performance, it's also incredibly practical. With up to 71 cubic feet of cargo space in a configurable rear seat layout, it's ready to handle everything from grocery runs to weekend getaways. For families, the CX-5 includes thoughtful touches like rear USB ports, ample storage compartments, and an available hands-free power liftgate. It's clear that Mazda has considered every detail to make life on the go as convenient as possible. Final thoughts. The 2025 Mazda CX-5 is a testament to Mazda's commitment to innovation and excellence. It combines stunning design, thrilling performance, advanced technology, and everyday practicality into one compelling package. If you're in the market for a compact SUV that stands out from the crowd, the 2025 CX-5 deserves your attention. Mazda has truly raised the bar with this release, and we can't wait to see it on the roads. That wraps up our deep dive into the 2025 Mazda CX-5. What do you think about Mazda's latest creation? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest updates from Future Fuel. Thanks for watching. and we'll see you in the next video.